Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Mitch with Native Survival. Let's make this happen. Weekend in the woods, bunch of guys. Don't go anywhere. Wasn't that a bummer? So we've got the camp, the Native Survival Rendezvous. There's the living room, fire pit, and there's a pine tree that crashed into camp. We've been having a lot of rain, a lot of snow, and it pretty much all fell and melted within 2 days. A lot of standing water, a lot of puddles around. But right now we're going to work on that tree. I'll get to doing that. Maybe I'll use this to shore up my wiki up. Add to the roof. Show me the way to go home. Tired and I wanna go to bed. Had a little drink about an hour ago and went straight to my head. Love that scene in Jaws. At night, they're all drinking and hanging out. I found a picture of Spielberg lounging in his office, and he had a Donkey Kong machine. Very cool.
Mitch.
What's going on? What's up, bro?
Took a beating from the storm, huh?
Yeah, we did.
This is Tom.
What's up, Tom?
Kevin's buddy, Tom.
How are you?
You want Mitch?
Yeah, Tom.
Right
Pleasure
on.
to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah.
I brought an archery block for you.
Cool. Yeah, I brought mine too.
I'll pick it up on Sunday or something when I come back from work.
Okay, I got you cooler in my truck. I didn't bring the blanket because you don't fall.
Oh, that's right, from the little necks.
Yep. Yeah, this tree, watch it now. This tree was laying all the way across the benches.
Sucks.
Yeah, I've been working on it. What's up, Lay-Ben?
All right.
Yeah. Cool.
Busy with work and shit. Yourself? Girls doing good?
Yeah. Yeah, real good. Annie just had her second birthday.
Tomorrow.
Oh, cool. Awesome, man.
Wish I could stick around, but...
Wish you could too. Thanks for donating, man. Yeah, the tournaments are going to be tomorrow.
They're coming out for a little while.
Yeah.
Bringing back home in a couple hours and then back to the firelight stuff.
Cool. Reminds me of
Give
Kevin.
you a little exercise. Yeah, it looks just like it, doesn't it?
I thought it would for a second.
First?
Yeah, like from the distance.
With the green. Wait till he takes the leather jacket off. He's got the green jacket. Like,
Oh my god.
Yeah, we're like brothers.
That's amazing.
how'd the wiki hold up? The
Doing
interior.
okay. It's doing good. Check out your bow, man?
Yeah. What's the fault on it? I was going to bring the
Looks a
Osage
lot like a
bow I
Fred
got
Bear.
from Kev.
What's that?
I almost brought the Osage bow out that I got from Kev.
Yep.
Maybe I'll bring it out Sunday, a little while before everybody leaves if you still want to. What time are you taking off on Sunday?
I'll be dark for days.
Oh, you're going to stay all night?
Well, it
Clean up, break down?
Takes me 4 or 5 trips just to
Yeah, I'm off the next day, so.
bring everything back. I mean, the parachute has its own rucksack. You know what I mean?
Same parachute?
Yeah. So it takes a lot of work.
Did you get a new pack? Is that your pack, that monster?
It's the one the History Channel gave me.
Oh, no kidding.
Yeah, the Kelty.
Nice.
Yeah. I guess the job done. 110 liters.
It's a big bag.
It is.
Mine's 65. It's.
Things like to the gills too, you know.
Did you get a new bow? That's not your other one you had last year. Didn't you
No,
have
it's the same one I brought to Vancouver. I've had it for years. It's Bear Archery, Montana.
Didn't you have like a breakdown last year?
Oh yeah, that was like my knock around.
Yeah.
Bow, like leave it in the snow, whatever. But seeing as it's a competition, figured I'd bring my real bow.
Yeah, that's a nice bag too. A snug pack bag.
Yeah, that's the
That's the tent one.
the Bergen, the 100-liter one. It's the 100-liter bag.
I think that little branch is going.
Yeah.
How about
Put a rope around there
got
and
something.
yank it or something.
you have a strap paracord you can spare?
Yeah.
Just for a couple minutes.
Of course. Yeah, guys. So I just bucked up this thing, like 10 feet of it or so. Didn't really film kind of any of it, so sorry.
Mitch,
It is what it is.
Mitch,
What?
tie it right to this.
Okay. How about it, Nick? Boom! Nice work.
Thank you, sir.
That could be like a cutting station too, Mitch. So thick.
Yep. For axe work. Right on. Get in there! Bam!
I'm in troop carrier. and like a big canvas, like big truck. So just walk that down the field. You hear him?
Oh, I thought you were goofing on.
No. Eric, what's up, man?
What's up, man? How's it going?
What's going on?
Thank you. Eric, come back. Nice to meet you.
Deranged Survival in the house.
We're going mission.
Hey, Kev, what's the name of your channel? Kevin's Adventures or something?
Yes, Kevin's Adventures. Yep.
Sub it up, guys. The old sub flood coming. Deranged Survival, sub it up.
Yeah.
Malcolm's Hidden Woodsman, of course. Right on. Just putting up the parachute.
The hidden nose.
This troop carry, guy in the troop carry comes out of nowhere. So he drops all his food. First to eat. I don't know, the guy had a, even, a shoe on top of the turret.
It's cool, right?
Are you serious?
Thank you. Yeah, he wanted to pull up right here so we can camp right in his tent.
So he's one of the pictures.
He has a troop carrier. Yeah, he literally.
Oh, it's a whole bunch of guys.
No, just one troop.
Okay.
Grab a part on the outside of the parachute. There's cordage attached to the end of it.
No.
Just for a second.
No.
So I have one rope tied over there. I think it's holding me back from moving the whole thing over. All right, let's pull it. Whoop, stuck on a bench. Let's go. Perfect timing.
Yeah, it's roping up against these trees too, just to let you know.
Yep. All right, well, I think that's enough anyways. You see how we're over the bench? So that'll work out right there. And then we can go out that way, just to make sure we're not getting rained on and stuff. Make sure we're covered.
Hope it's long enough.
As we're on the inside, under, on the outside. This is literally his first time tying this. So, so you're gonna go over, and you come on the inside.
On the inside.
Yep. Pull all that through. But your rope belongs on that side. Exactly. Now, if you're just holding this by itself, it should be nice and clean.
Yep.
Right. Okay. Yeah. So now you want to go on this side. You're right.
This side.
Yep. Now you're gonna do under. Exactly.
Under.
And you're gonna put a loop through it, a bite. Now just pull the bite. That's it. Rock and roll and tighten it up all the way. That's it. That's how you do it, bro.
Nice, man.
Bam.
Thank you so much.
And now, quick release, you pull the tag, gone.
You're awesome.
So now do it again. Coming together, it's coming together. It's funny, I didn't hank this. I can tell it's different style than me. So somebody's helping me out hank this. It's so funny, like, I'm so rooted in my routines, like I can tell like my signature, like even on rope, on knots.
There was about 5 or 6 of us pulling these up.
Yeah,
and we put it
totally.
down.
You guys, we all did it together. You guys all helped. And you cross over it. Degrees, go over, and you go on the inside. Second time, holding tension, go on the outside, and I go under.
Alright.
And I'm going to put a bite through. So I'll just go ahead and grab that.
Yep.
Right. Quick release.
Pretty sure.
Yeah? Come in. Do it.
That's not a good thing. That's why I said I have like 3. That was good. I just learned. One of them on my shoelaces. Yeah, right.
You don't have to pull it too tight.
I can do a tie really good.
No.
Yeah, right. Exactly. Double
That's
Windsor.
the outside.
Exactly.
The inside.
So like So you have your food bag.
Off in a row, and I'm like, I'm starting to get bored. What's up, gentlemen? I'm Kevin. Hey, Kevin. Bobby Keegan. Hey, Bobby. Nick Fernandez. Nice to meet you. And there's Mr. Metro. What do you want to do with them steaks? You want to put them somewhere special? Wherever you want, man. I don't want to leave them on the ground. You got like a common area, maybe? Yeah, we're common in it.
Yeah, whatever you want to do, man.
Well, I get steaks and chickens. I get 3 chickens. We can
Put
put
on the bag, you can hang them off trees, whatever.
The steaks are in the soft pouch, and the chickens are still in the wrap.
Micah, what's up, man?
Mitch, how are you, buddy?
It's been a while. Yeah, it's been like a whole week, bro. How you been? You never found that handle, eh?
I never found it. I want to ask you a story about how to take it.
Yeah, well, thanks, man. I appreciate it.
Keep an eye out. I bet it's all right.
Yeah, I'm just finding What's up, bro? Good to see you. Good to see you. Guys, Micah, Dana, Keeks just showed up. He's over there.
What's up, Micah?
Joe, what's up, man?
How you been, man? Keeks shows up very cool, bro.
We had a good time.
Yeah. We with one of the
Dana.
Yeah, I know.
Cool.
Yep, that looked like a really good time.
That was the top 3 of my life. Yeah, that was a great. What was it? This is the top 3 of my life.
For what? Last weekend.
Dude, I've been getting 1,000 views a day in that video.
Oh, what video?
I just made it.
Oh, yeah.
I think it's going viral. I think it's going viral because my video is going to get like 1,000 max.
Yeah.
This was doing 1,000 a day. I watch it.
Yeah.
You're all over too. You see the part where you're making the
slow
fire?
motion night fire thing.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
Kind of blue. The bundle.
I haven't seen the video yet.
You don't even make much money.
It's more for publicity.
I'm like checking off how driver's license.
I'm not even in the video. It's supposed to be
Drive on. Yeah, man. So, nice to meet you, Dana. Nice to meet you.
Tom, nice to meet you.
What's
your name? Dana. Micah.
Holy
Yeah. It's like we both got regular names. I didn't realize that. So we introduced ourselves. Micah, Dana. Yeah.
It's funny.
Change my name to Nika for the rest of the day.
Be asking you. Yeah. I'll answer to Mike. Hardwired for it.
People already start that quick.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna grab my camera. Hey, you guys there?
Oh, you're there. So we got Joe, Bulat, Malcolm,
Oh shit! That's
Micah,
right now.
you reminded me of Dana,
Tom, Joe.
Nick.
Yep.
That's Tom right there.
And here comes Eric.
Hiding over there is Kev. There he is. Oh snap! The living room's coming together. Got a few more to tie on that side over there.
It's a constant game of limbo when you're walking around.
Yeah, a lot of rope with the parachute. It is. It's not perfect, but it's pretty awesome. There's Eric, Mr. Deranged.
What's up, guys?
Yeah, buddy.
A relaxing weekend.
Yeah, for sure, man. And I think that's Keegs way back over there. There's a camp over there. I'm gonna show everybody's camp once everybody gets set up. You'll see.